Hello, everyone. Losar, tashe dale. Sorry. It's all right? All right. My name is Laura Stone, and I'm the Acting Deputy Assistant Secretary for Chinese and Mongolian Affairs here at the Bureau of East Asian and Pacific Affairs at the Department of State. On behalf of the State Department, I welcome you to this reception to celebrate Losar, the Tibetan New Year. As many of you will remember, last year the State Department held the second ever Losar celebration, and I'm so delighted that we can continue this tradition. You're welcome. As we welcome the Year of the Firebird that began this past Monday. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our guests from the nonprofit, academic, and diplomatic communities. I'd also like to welcome my colleagues from the department who are here to celebrate Losar with us. I'd also like to extend an especially warm welcome to the members of the Tibetan American community who have, and actually the Tibetan Indian community in exile and any other Tibetan communities that we have represented, who have provided our Losar altar and the delicious Tibetan food that we have here today. I understand that Losar festivities have spiritual as well as social elements that include prayer ceremonies and family rituals. We are here today to recognize your rich culture and spiritual celebrations. Throughout my career in both Washington and while stationed in China, I've had an opportunity to work with the Tibetan communities. I have seen the strength and resilience of the Tibetan people and commend you for striving to preserve your culture. So thank you for joining us today, and I'll turn this over to Mr. Losar Gyatso to offer a few words about the meaning of Losar. So thank you very much. Then I'll fall over.